Welcome to Hitmaker's R&B Ranch. Thank you for bringing your R&B country music. We're excited to showcase it today.
Thanks, Don The Hitmaker, for producing my song. Like and comment to make it go viral.
Here's Ava with Love Looks Good on Me.
Love looks good on me. Never thought I'd say that. To hide behind my pride, keep my feelings locked inside. Never thought that I could fall, never needed love at all. Then you smiled and everything felt like sunlight in the spring. Now my heart don't wanna hide every time you're by my side. You see beauty when I doubt, bring the confidence back out. Every little word you say makes my worries melt away. I still blush when you get near, still get butterflies in here. But I'm learning every day, real love doesn't run away. I'm not afraid to let my heart be seen. You make loving easy, you make me believe. Love looks good on me, like the sunrise on the sea, like a melody that was always meant to be. Love looks good on me, wrapped inside your honesty. Every little piece feels exactly where it should be. I'm still laughing like a girl, spinning circles through the world. But I'm standing like a queen, knowing exactly what I mean. I can hold your hand in mine, never lose a piece of mind. That's the kind of love I choose, one that helps us both bloom. No pretending, no disguise, you can see it in my eyes. I don't need to play it cool. Being loved has changed the rules. Now I wear my heart with grace, and it's
You were absolutely incredible tonight. That performance was next level.
Thank you so much. And a huge thanks to all the fans. You helped our song go viral.